A very warm and appreciated to director sir, chief guest, principal sir, teachers and our dear friends. This is Rami Sahib of Standard 7 standing in front of you to give a speech on Independence Day. I hope you woke up proud and must here with your head and heart just as your leaders did and lead to our freedom. Most of you know that India received its independence from 1947. All these officers give you honor service mainly leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who led the liberation struggle with violence, tenacity and bravery. As a result of their selfless labor and sacrifice, we can enjoy the priceless gift of independence and sovereignty. We must take a moment to reflect on the inclusion, diversity and unity that have been the cornerstone of our independence movement. As we raise the people from all the backgrounds and ethnicity have been united to create the India of today and to build a more powerful and prosperous country. Even as we reach our freedom, we have to face the challenges that lie ahead. Social injustice, corruption, illiteracy must all be eradicated together. We can combat communication, corruption and other threats. Let us do everything within our power as possible to do citizens to progress and strengthen our beloved country. We are duties to work and make our country more country that we can go anywhere and we can feel Indian everywhere. Thank you. Jai Hind.